Today I'm going to show you how to draw stem and leaf plots. So you can see I've got some data there and it's actually in order. Now a stem and leaf plot comprises of a stem which needs to represent something, and then the leaf represents something. Now in my case I'm looking at my numbers and I've got the smallest number is 4 and the biggest number is 45. So in my stem I'm actually going to put the tens part of each number. So first of all I have 0 tens in 4. Then in these few numbers, I have they're part of the tens. Then I go 20, 30 and 40. Now, the leaf part is going to comprise of the units of those numbers. So here I'm going to put 4, 2, 6. There's a space there because you want to have a space between each number. 21 will be there. 28, 29, 33, 34 and 45. Now, what you see there is that I've understood what this represents, but I need to show anyone else who looks at my stem and leaf what it means. So it's really important that you have a key. And usually in a key you say, what does the stem represent? So I'm just going to pick one of them. /2 represents 12. And obviously if my data is the number of DVDs in someone's collection or whatever, then you put the units if that's applicable. So that's a stem and leaf. Now let's talk about some other things. When you've got data, it's not always in order. So it's really important to understand that the leaf has to have the data in order. When you're looking at the leaf, you need to make sure that there's equal spacing, so it's nice and easy to read, and that you can see the smallest number is at the top, the largest number is at the bottom. So if you're going to work out the range of this, you need to go the largest number, understand what that means. So 45, subtract 4 gives you the range of 41. Now, you can also get back-to-back stem and leaves. So if you have two sets of data and you want to compare them, you can draw a leaf on the other side as well. So let's imagine that, I don't know, this data represented someone's DVD collection, the number of DVDs in each room. And then this one was, say this was Bob's house and this is Joe's house. And, you know, his data was here. He might have data down here. And you see it goes back, but it's still in order. 2, 22, 24, 25, 31, 32, 39, that would be it, 39 again. So if I wanted to have two of the same number, then I need to make sure I show that. So in this case, so far with the data I've got, the mode, which is the most common, is 39 because it occurs twice. Over here, they're all just equally as common as each other, so there's no obvious mode in this set of data. On this set of data, we have 39. Now let's suppose that was the data. You can see that this leaf is very compact around this sort of area, and this leaf is more distributed, a kind of a symmetrical distribution there. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about stem and leaf plots.